Now let's see how to download VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, and how to install it. So all you have to do is go to this website https://code.visualstudio.com, and then depending on your operating system you can download the installation file and then install it, right? So this is the Visual Studio Code page. Then click on download. So here you can see for Windows and for Ubuntu and for Mac, right? So depending on your operating system, make sure you select the right installer. I'm using Windows 11, so I'm clicking on this one. And once you download the file, double click on it and click on I accept the agreement. Next. You can leave as is here and then click next. Click next. So make sure you do not uncheck this box, so it will add path. So this requires shell restart, right? So make sure you leave as is here and then select next and then click install. This will start installing and then click finish. So that's pretty much it. So now you install VS Code on your machine. All right. Thank you.